It's amazing. It could have been taller, right? Maybe. Just a little taller. And I would have been like really impressed. I don't think you can go in because it says stay on the path. So I don't think we can go in, but look, there's the actual light on the lighthouse. There's windows on every side. Oh, they don't want you to go to the actual end of the island. So there it is. That's it. Lighthouse Point. You could go here. So it goes down there. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's so good. Lighthouse Point. That's it. This is so nice. It's so quiet out here. Yeah, there it is. See, look. It looks taller here because they have these palm trees that are tiny, so it makes it feel like it's big. See, if I go like this, look, now it's a giant lighthouse. I feel like it should be taller. But these tiny little palm trees, like if you shoot from like right here, it's like then it's like massive because they have these little palm trees.